Storms and cyclones will break my homes, but quakes may never hurt me. Many people refer to Australia as the world's largest island, but did you know that there is more to Australia than meets the eye? I found out bucket loads of information when I went on a dinosaur trail in central Queensland last year. I visited the Flinders Discovery Centre in Hewenden and found out about the ancient geological past of this country. I set out to discover if Australia could change shape again, and if so, when and how is it most likely? I researched recorded data to see if an earthquake could make major changes. Due largely to the fact that Australia sits in the middle of its continental plate, it would be unlikely that a big enough quake could occur to be much of an influence. A few little tremors just won't make a difference. Then I dug a little deeper, and what I found out is bone-chilling for the people of Australia. Before I get into that, let me fill you in on some really old news. Somewhere between 280 and 230 million years ago, the supercontinent Pangaea was split into by massive apocalyptic earthquakes and became the continents of Eurasia and Gondwanaland. Australia evolved around 180 million years ago from Gondwanaland. Then Australia split from Antarctica quite recently, around 45 million years ago, and drifted north, leaving Antarctica to drift away south and freeze over as the Earth cooled. Now, continental drift occurs when plates move. It's entirely natural and nothing can be done about it. The volcanic activity along the Ring of Fire is caused by the northern-bound Australian plate bumping into the western-bound Pacific plate, resulting in eruptions and earthquakes. Australia is a continent, but it's also a country. It is also interestingly the lowest, flattest, and oldest landmass on Earth. Our country is part of the Oceania region, which is sometimes called the liquid continent. Oceania is mostly water, so it will see the most effects of rising sea levels. Global warming is melting the ice caps, resulting in rising sea levels at an average of 7 centimeters per year. This will prove disastrous for humanity, as available land will become smaller. Currently, 4 out of 5 Australians live along the coastline, and a majority of them will have to move. Opinions differ on the rate of sea level rise, but they all agree we could be looking at least a 60-meter rise globally. I've discovered through research and illustration that changes to Australia's shape are inevitable. They will most likely be caused by rising sea levels brought about by global warming. However, it's not these things that will change our lives the most. It will be how we, as a nation, react to these changes.